Hi, I'm Eric Arts from PopShops.com. We're a Web 2.0 tool for vastly simplifying the process for affiliates to create product showcases on their site. We're technology partners with all of the major affiliate networks, and we're hosting over 900 merchants and over 13 million products on our site currently. Affiliates can search for products using a very fast and efficient keyword-based search, find products that fit the content on their site, and easily create product showcases to highlight their products. Affiliates can customize their shops in a variety of ways and customize their shops to appear on blogs. We have widgets for Typepad and Blogger and other blogging sites, and we have a variety of snippets to support PHP, JavaScript, and other website technologies. The summit's been great. I'm fairly new to PopShops, and I've enjoyed learning more about the affiliate marketing industry. And we're just excited to be here. We've launched within the last couple of weeks, and seeing a lot of good feedback on our product, and gathering good feedback, and finding a lot of merchants and networks who are interested in partnering with us. So it's a very exciting time for our company. Yes, it's working out very well. We're very glad to be here at this summit. This is clearly the flagship event for the affiliate marketing industry. We'd just like to welcome affiliates to take a look at our site and think about using us. We think that we offer a very good service for affiliates who want to focus on finding products that sell well on their site instead of spending a lot of time untangling various versions of merchant feeds and technology issues. So, yeah.